My name is Paresh Kenkre, and our company name is Electro Controls. It was started by my father and his partner in 1988, and we are into the field of electrical panel manufacturing and industrial automation. We are channel partner for companies like Siemens, Schneider Electric, Phoenix Contact, and Omron Automation for Goa region. And we have our own panel building and our own brand for panel manufacturing.
What are the problems does your industry face in this industrial estate?
Uh, some of the problems, that one is the roads, drainage is another issue that we are facing. So we don't have a proper drainage, so there's a lot of water logging that happens during monsoon season. And transport, local transport is difficult. During working hours it's okay, but late hours and all, so because of that it becomes difficult to get people to work for extended hours as and when required. So these are some major issues.
Any power issues, problems do you face?
uh, Power issues are there, but it's not something abnormal, in the sense, okay, normal power outages are there, but nothing which is going to disrupt our business. Also, our industry is not much power extensive, so it's more of a skilled labor job wherein we do wiring and all those things. So we do require power for some power tools, but for small power outages it is okay. If it is extended outages, then there is a problem.
You mentioned about the skilled labors. We visit many industries, so they complain that there is a shortage of skilled labors. Do you face the same?
Yes, we find shortages, or we are not getting labor, not only skilled, even unskilled, especially local people getting is very difficult. So yes, that is definitely a problem, whether it is in engineering or other departments. We do have problems with skilled laborers, we don't get people.
Your industry works in shift wise or general shift?
No, general shift.
Any issue about the garbage collection?
There is no provision of garbage collection here, so we need to plan our own disposal or garbage, or hire somebody to take the garbage. So presently what we are doing is we have hired somebody who comes, once we call him, he comes and picks up the garbage. We are having a major problem with the road connectivity. Approaching the industrial estate is a very big problem, especially our product is a very bulky product, so we do require bigger not container size, but definitely bigger size trucks and all. So moving in and out is a big problem inside, for the industrial estate, number one. Number two, the industrial estate is surrounded by lot of population on either side. So whenever there are functions or some religious activities and all, then it becomes even more difficult to approach the industrial estate, especially for any incoming or outgoing vehicles. Even for people also it becomes difficult, maybe not regularly, but during such conditions, if there is any emergency, then we are completely cut off from any emergency services, because of some public activities going on around. So, and there is no fire station nearby, by which any emergency services can reach. Though fortunately no major incidences have happened in our industrial estate so far, at least to the best of my knowledge. Whenever it has happened, the fire station comes from Verna or from Vasco, or maybe Zuaris is available.